Good morning.
Good morning.
Are you Jim Turley?
Yes.
Oh, nice to meet you. My name is Sumit Kavor. I graduated from Miami University's Business Honors Program, and after I went to consult in green efficiencies for General Electric. Recently, I read an article that you posted in the Journal of Green Businesses on how you want to change Ernst & Young's business buildings into more efficient buildings.
That's right.
What issues are you guys still facing?
Honestly, at a higher up level, we've been running into issues with electricity, specifically lighting.
Very interesting. Have you heard of ThinkLight's strategy?
No, could you tell me more about it?
Yeah, so ThinkLight was a great startup company that I was able to consult with that focuses on a no upfront cost approach, where they go in and consult for businesses like yours and show you what areas they could save you money. They've been able to drastically reduce lighting and electricity bills by 80%. Some of the examples that you might know are PricewaterhouseCoopers. Last year, they were able to save them $700,000, which was a 60% reduction in their bills. So,
wow, that sounds very interesting. I would love to meet you in a more formal setting to discuss this further.
Sure.
Would you like to take my card?
Sure, and I will definitely follow up with you. Thank you so much.
It's been a pleasure.